Hey everybody, today is January 1st and I'm at the Suwannee River State Park at the south side, and I haven't seen any updates about this, but they've put up a 12 to 15 foot fence with barbed wire surrounding the whole drill site. Right there. There's the entrance where it starts. There's the drill. These guys actually took a day off. There it is. They have another entrance over there to go to the river. But I was here about 3 weeks ago. I know people were here earlier than that. But there it is. All the way around the other side. I don't know if it was from the landowner, because from where I'm standing to the fence is privately owned. Obviously it was taken. But there it is.